Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can recover deleted photos on your Google Photos. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead into your Google Photos on any browser you want. And finally, once you have done that, click on this go to Google Photos button right over here, and you should be logged in into your account. Let me just switch to my account real quick. And finally, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this photo right over here. There you go, just in front of you. And then finally, once I have deleted my photo, as you can see that I just did it in front of you, I'm going to simply teach you how you can recover it. So in order to recover your deleted photo, all you have to do is on the left side there is a little trash button right over here on all these menu. As you can see, go ahead and click on it. And finally, you will see your photo in the trash, and it is not permanently deleted, as you can see, and will only be permanently deleted after like 60 days. So simply click on your photo and click on this restore button on the top right. And congratulations, you have successfully recovered the photo you have deleted. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.